Hi, it's Corrine. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to share a flip through of an album that I created. I did do a full tutorial on this album, however, the video file got corrupted and I lost all the footage. So I will do another one in the near future for how this album came together. I'm using the Echo Park Our Wedding collection, and I'll be sure to link that down in the description box below. This album measures 8 1/4 by 6, by 6 1/4, and the spine is about 1 inch. So this is a fairly small album. It's a wedding album. I use this beautiful trimming on the side with the flat back pearl trim. This is from Wild Orchid Crafts. I got that quite a while ago. I love this paper collection, especially against the black. It looks so nice to me. I used one of the pieces from the ephemera, backed it on some white cardstock and some black cardstock to give it a little bit dimension. And same here, I used this cutout. I cut this out from the Silhouette Cameo, added 2 or 3 layers of cardstock behind it so it has a little bit of dimension to it. I used some Wild Orchid Craft flowers and some pearls. Added Always and Forever to the front. So when you open this up, there's a pocket here with this beautiful edging. Again, I love the black with the paper collection. I added the word celebrate from both this teal and rose gold foil paper. I have some journaling cards in the pocket that photos can be placed on the back or journaling. Here's this really pretty one. So this is an accordion style album, and when you open it up, it has different size photos in here. I wanted to add something to the center so it's just pretty to look at even before the photos are in. So this on the front here is just decorative. Here's for a 3x3 photo, and all of these have been left open to tuck the photo behind. I added some hearts from the paper collection. Just married. Here I have a little heart side pocket with a journaling card, again for a smaller photo or journaling, and photos can be placed in this pocket as well. This is for a 4x4. I did adhere down because this was a little bit more delicate. I adhered down the flower, so either the photo can go right on top of that, tuck under here, or a smaller photo can be added. On the back here, I have this little pocket with a journaling card. Has some journal lines on it. I added the Always and Forever to the bottom on a label, and then I added some twine. Back here, I have a little spot for the date, and this slides down and kind of tucks in there. This is for a 4x6 photo. Opens up to have 2 more 4x6 photos. Just kind of tuck that back in. And to the back of it, there's also a pull-out. I have a little half circle punch here to indicate the pull-out. And this is for some more photos added to it. Then when you go back to the front, you open it up this way. There's more spots for photos. So here's for a 3x3. I think this is so pretty. This is left open. Here's another side pocket with some journaling cards. Some photos can be tucked directly in there. Here, this is magnetized to hold some 4x4 photos, so it flips open. I've added the Our Wedding, a little bow here, and Our Love Story. Another 4x4 photo. So I hope you've enjoyed this flip through. I will, like I said, in the future have a tutorial on how this came together. It's actually pretty easy to do once you know the sizes. And I will also be selling this on my Etsy channel. I'll link that down in the description box, or my Etsy store rather. I'll link that down in the description box below. So if you're interested, please check that out. And thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.